Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. Today we are trying out 6 beautiful red lip colors. If you'd like to see these beautiful red lip colors, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, we got our lip colors ready. Alright, and then we also have micellar water on the standby. Blot my gloss off now since my lips are nice and hydrated. Whew, let's see. First, let's go with, we're going to start with Sephora Always Red color number 01. So pretty. It's a pretty red. Beautiful. I can actually remember a time I did not like red lipstick. But working at MAC changed all of that. Alrighty, so Sephora Always Red color number 01. Okay, the formula is obviously a liquid lipstick, long wearing, top selling ultra pigmented lip color is infused with avocado oil to provide rich color as it glides on smoothly and easily transform into a silky lightweight stain that won't bleed, crack, or dry out your lips. Comfortable and non-sticky, and this retails for, on Sephora's website, $15. So that's Always Red by Sephora. All right, my micellar water on the standby and my foundation brush, because you know you're gonna probably wipe off some of the makeup I have on. All right, next, let's see. All right, next, let's just go ahead and go into, let's go into the Fenty Beauty. Compared to the Sephora one. All right, this says this is a weightless, long-wearing liquid lipstick with a soft matte finish, born in a range of head-turning shades that look incredible on all skin tones. So the line is a Stunna lip paint and the color is uncensored, which is categorized as a perfect universal red. Does says it's vegan, matte finish, and long wearing. Okay, and this one is $28. Perfect universal red. As you can see, that dried down really pretty. I like that. It's not even all the way dry yet, but we're gonna keep it going. We have a few others. And since we're on Fenty, let's just go ahead and do the next color I have lined up, which is Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this color is the MVP. All right, now I do know for a fact, I did this review on this some videos back. This lip color appears to just glide on like automatically matte, which can be deceiving. Goes on really creamy. Beautiful, beautiful red. Absolutely beautiful. It feels really creamy going on, and it looks matte, but you know, it's really velvety. A liquid lipstick with a creamy whipped texture that hugs lips and provide intense color in one precise swipe. I would definitely agree with that. The color payoff is really good. It's definitely a comfortable lip color, but if you're going to be going out, having drinks, eating food or whatever, I do not recommend this one because it does transfer. Okay, and then this one is $29. All right, next let's do, all right, next we're going in with MAC Feels So Grand. This is a retro matte color. feels so grand. I love a lot of these brushes has that precise point where you can really get in there and really carve out your lips. Takes a minute for this one to dry down. Let's go ahead and read the formula. A liquid lipstick that provides a rush of pigment soaked color in a velvety matte finish. They do have the option where you can like virtually try on lip color, so that's really good. It does say that it is long wearing up to 8 hours. And looks like this one is actually on sale right now. It's normally $25. It is on sale for $18.75. Looks like they have a sale on their website right now, up to 30% off on select lip colors. If I had to guess, I would definitely say quite a few of the red ones are probably on sale right now for Valentine's Day, because a lot of people like to wear red lip on Valentine's Day. It's just a really beautiful color, and it just feels really sexy and beautiful all the time, but especially on Valentine's Day. And as you can see, that dried down really, really beautiful. All right, next we're going to do, this is actually one of my favorites, and this is from Live Glam. I'm actually going to read it first. Let's see, description. If you want to switch up your typical red, the shade with a purdy finish is all you need to create some magazine spread looks all year long. If you want to serve some fierce catitude, this satin metallic red is anything but a faux pas. This color is garnet red. It is a satin metallic. I really, really, really love this red, and actually, I think I might buy a couple of those since those are on sale before I post this video. This color is normally, let's see, this color is usually $12. It's on sale right now for $6. This is like, I've not seen a color like this ever. It is a beautiful red, and when I tell you it's metallic, it is metallic. Once again, you have that nice doe foot with the point on it for precise application. This color feels so good going on. It actually feels like a gloss, but it will dry down. One of my favorites. And as you can see, that is drying down. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera that it is metallic, but it is metallic. It's a beautiful color. I was actually really surprised that this color was actually still available, because I got this lip color when I was getting the Morphe brushes, and every now and then they would like throw in something with your Morphe brush subscription. I've so long ago canceled that subscription. That was one of the colors that I received in that, and it still is really good. It is still in really good condition. So Vanity Furr, but I love the color description of it, garnet red. It's a beautiful, beautiful red. Let's keep going. That one came off really easy too. All right, the next one, it is a reddish orange. This color is Superstay Matte Ink by Mabeline. As you can see, it is an orangey red color. This color is Individualist. This one's actually new to me, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. This one feels like a thick lip gloss. Like, it reminds me of, you guys remember the lip glosses by Mac? Oh, they used to be called lip glass. This one reminds me of a lip glass. It says it's matte, but I'm not sure how that's going to dry down. Let's give it a little help. This one, like in the center of my lips, feel like it's just a lot of extra product. as you can see. Product detail. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Individualist. Looking for a matte lipstick that will stay put all day long? Look no further than Maybelline New York Superstay. This long-lasting lipstick has a microflex formula that keeps lips looking and feeling freshly applied, while the Ultra Conditioning Balm locks in moisture. It's available in 24 super saturated shades from Timeless Rose to Ultimate Raisin, so you're sure to find the perfect color for you. And if you need to remove it at the end of the day, simply use Maybelline Superstay Eraser Longwear Lipstick Remover. It says it's a 16-hour wear. That's pretty good. I would definitely, with the application, take your time and not. Actually, my first time finding this lip color. Is my newest lip color to my collection. I would definitely do thin layers and kind of let a layer dry before I put on another layer, because it just kind of got clogged up here. All right, we're just going to do one more. Initially, I was just going to do 6. And so for my last one, I actually wanted to do a darker color for my girls that love a darker red. And since this is going to be my last of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my Cupid's bow. I love having my Cupid's bow highlighted, and go to one of my darker, deeper red colors. And this one is by Milani. This one is called Cashmere, and this is number 12. So this is definitely a deeper red. Some would call it plum, but it does have red in it. And I will wear this color anytime. Woo! This is so pretty. This is definitely a color I would have just a clean look as far as the makeup, just really light on the skin. Neutral eye. Definitely would not have this with just like a transition color, because I want the lips to be the center of attention definitely for this lip color. But let's read. Alrighty, so right now on Walmart.com, and I will actually link this lip color down below. Alright, product detail. Milani's Amour Satin Matte Lip Cream is an ultra pigmented lip cream that contains shea moisture and soybean oil for a buttery, soft texture that hydrates and nourishes with high impact color that dries down to a demi matte finish, lasts up to 16 hours, and I can attest to that because I wear this one quite often. Again, looks like this one is on let's see, the price of this one right now on Walmart.com is $6.92. Now I just have to decide which one I'm going to wear on Valentine's Day. Alright, and before I get out of here, a couple things. One, if you are a beauty over 40, and this is something I don't usually do, but if you are a beauty over 40, once a month we get together and we do a collaboration. We come up with a theme and we create beautiful looks around that theme. So if you're someone that's interested in collaborating with us, definitely reach out to me or any of the other girls that you see on the collaboration videos, and we would love to have. All right, and then the other thing is, soon to be one of my next videos, we are going to be trying out the viral Hershey's Cookie and Cream 12 color eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to open this with you guys. I hope you guys join me. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give it a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.